Hey y'all, PiecesofNika is back, and in today's video I'm going to be showing y'all some items that I bought off Amazon because y'all know I love Amazon, and so I figured this would be a good video to come and show y'all some random things that I bought off Amazon that you can use or that you may need and didn't know you needed it. But let's start with the electronics first. I ordered this remote, and this links to my camera and my iPhone. This comes in handy whenever you're trying to take pictures by yourself, and so you can just set it up, put it on self timer, and use this to take your pictures. I love this. It's come in handy for Instagram and for my camera when I'm recording YouTube videos. So I'll have all these items linked below in the description bar. You can click the links that'll take you right to where I got each of these items. The next item is going to be this Bonet iPhone charger, hotspot charger, and it has the lights here. I don't know if they're showing. Can you see the lights? These lights will show you when it's about to die. So it's 4 lights there. I don't know if you can tell, but it'll go to 1 and I'll let you know it's time to charge this again. But this is what I like to take with me all over the house. If my phone's about to die, I can just hook this to my phone and it'll give it some extra power. Love this too, and we take this whenever we're traveling as well to keep our phones charged. The next thing is this Instantly portable speaker. This gets really loud and I love it. I use this whenever I'm doing my hair, or if I'm in the shower and I just want to listen to loud music, or if I'm cleaning the house. This comes in handy to give me extra bass to my music, and it's actually waterproof. I'm gonna try to show you guys and add a clip in here to show you how this works in the water. Like, you can sit it in a pool, like if you were in a swimming pool, you can sit this in the water and it's fine. All right, so I have this playing on here. Let me turn it up here. See, it's playing. This turns it down. This links it. This plays it. So we're gonna stick it in this water. I just want y'all to see how this works in water. Amazing. Amazing. This is so cool. It is not messing it up at all. You can have it in the water, in the swimming pool. Best thing ever invented. It's still working. This. Get this, y'all. I thought that was really crazy, but it's waterproof. Believe it or not, I love this, and it'll be linked below if you want this. It comes in other colors, but I just love this teal blue. They have black also, and red, and other colors, so check that out. The next thing that I just recently found out about is this little gadget here. This is I don't really know the technical name for it. I think I typed in SD card reader for iPhone. This reads your SD cards. You can stick them in here and then stick this part in your iPhone or your phone. They have different ones for Androids, but this is for iPhone. You just put your SD card in here, stick this part in your iPhone, and it can transfer pictures from your SD card straight into your iPhone. I love this thing, and I've been using it ever since I got it. And if you like to take a lot of pictures, this is something you're going to need. That way you won't have to be worried about attaching it to your laptop and transferring it like that, like I used to do. And so with this, you can just go straight into your iPhone. Love this thing. The next item are these wireless earbuds. I may be the only person in the world that hates those iPhone AirPods. They don't stay in my ear. I hate them. I like the kind that looks like this. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see. It looks like this. Now this kind stays in my ear a lot better. Just stick it in there, and boom, it's in there. I can move my ear, shake it, it don't fall out. Now those AirPods fall out. I don't like them. These are a lot better. And also what I like about these are the case is it charges them. So long as I charge this case, if I run these low on batteries, stick them in this case, turn it on, the case charges them without the case being plugged in. So usually I try to make sure that the case is fully charged, so that way when these die, I can just stick them in here and go. And the case will charge them if I'm out traveling or something. I love these. And then next is I put Nika SD cards because I realized I was always misplacing my SD cards. They would be all over the house and I'm trying to figure out where I put it at last. So I ordered a SD card holder and it only holds 8. I'm sure they have more that holds a lot more than 8. I don't have as many. As you can see, I have 1, 2, the one that's in my camera, and I ordered a new one, so that'll make 4. I plan on getting more, you know, later, but for now, 4 will fill up this side. And I also ordered this off Amazon. It's the 128 gigabytes SD card, and I like this version because it's supposed to transfer faster. So this is a hard case. It snaps closed. And I think it's really cute. It should protect your SD cards, especially if you're traveling. Love that. The next thing I found was this phone holder. And I think it's really cute. You can sit it on your desk and it adjusts like this. So if you want your phone straight up or down like that, you can just adjust it. And it also folds too, like this. So you can like close this down, fold it, and it breaks completely down. So if I want to like ever go live on my phone, I can just sit my phone. Where's my phone? I can just sit my phone there, whip that pop socket on there. Whoa, hold on. It still sits on there with the pop socket on there, and you can just, you know, do videos, take pictures, whatever, with your phone sitting on there. This comes in handy. I love it. Next thing is makeup related. This is a Graftobian palette. And it has every color you can think of. As a makeup artist, this is something good to have because people have different undertones to their skin. So with this palette, it shows you different colors that has different undertones. And this works great to help you to match the person that you're doing. So I really love this palette. I use it all the time. And this is a brand new one. So I ordered them from Amazon. So the link will be below. Also just got this makeup brush cleansing pad. I really needed one of these. I can't believe I didn't have one already. But basically it sticks to your sink. You just stick this to the bottom of your sink, wet your brushes, put the cleanser on there, and you just take your brushes and brush it along there. There's different grids on there that's supposed to get your brushes really clean. This is making me excited to clean my makeup brushes, which I think I'm going to do that later tonight. I may just set my camera up to show me using this. Alright, so here this is. We're just going to stick this to the side over here. I'm going to stick it over here to the side so it don't block the hold. And I'm just going to show you just one brush that's really, really dirty, how I clean it. I use my same face wash. I just use my same face wash to clean my brushes because, hey, why not? If you use it on your face, why not use it on your brushes? So I'm gonna get the water hot. I'm doing this with one hand. One, just now buying one of these. I think I've been bought me one of these. Now we're gonna keep scrubbing until your soap gets white. You know all of the makeup is coming out. See that? Clean. And it came with these brush protectors. So you just slide the brush in there and it pulls over that. So just hold it while it dries. Perfect. So now I have to do about 9,000 more brushes, but not on camera. I just wanted to show y'all how this works, and it works awesome. Okay, and next I have this steamer, Steam Fast steamer. I have not used this yet. I just know I really needed a steamer, especially for this. Like I can steam the wrinkles out of this. You can steam wrinkles out of your curtains, or anything that's like hanging that you just don't feel like ironing, you can use this. It had really good reviews, so I got it. And how it works is this part says open close. You just twist this, it comes off. You fill this part up with water, put this back on, snap it to lock, and then it's something down in here that heats up the water, and then all the steam comes out here. Looks like something I needed, so I got it. Here's the steamer. The water is in there boiling, as you can see. And I don't know if you can tell that steam's coming out of there. I think you can see the steam on camera. But there is steam coming out of there. And it's hot. So we're going to try to steam this. Can you see the steam? Can y'all see the steam? I'm trying to steam these wrinkles out of here. And it is getting them out. Wow. I love this. I'm going to have to do our curtains later. I just wanted you guys to see how this works. And the steam is in here. And then you just turn it off. It turns on and turns off. Once you put the water in there, you just hit this button. Turns on, it's gonna heat up, and the steam just automatically gonna come out. And you just turn it off. Love that. All right, and so the next thing is I ordered more backdrops. This one is the rose gold. I ended up getting the black and the white one. These are all the colors that they have. This pretty teal, white, red, pink, purple, silver, blue, gold, all colors, rose gold, iridescent. I really think they're really cute. They're affordable, and these really are the 3 colors I wanted. I thought about getting silver, but I'm good with these 3 colors. But yeah, got these off Amazon, and I love them. This is the 5x7 size. You're also going to need these clips to help tighten them when you put them on your backdrop holder. I needed more of these because I only had 3. And that's one up here, one there, and one there. But I feel like having more, I can put it more on the ends to stretch it so that you won't see these lines though. So my steamer should get that out. All right, and next is going to be my 2 most favorite t-shirts ever. This one says Black Mamba, Kobe, number 24, 1978, 2020. And it's Kobe wearing his old number and his new number. I love this shirt so much. May he rest in peace. He has been truly missed. And then also this one of the beautiful Leah. May she rest in peace also. She just had a birthday. And I just love these shirts. Both of these came off Amazon. They're really soft. I have washed them, and this part has still stayed intact, as you can see. Oh man, I love these shirts so much. I probably should have ordered 2 just in case one do get messed up, but hopefully they don't sell out. But both of these shirts came from Amazon. There are 2 more items that I want to show you related to my baby Parker. He's 4 years old, so I try to get him things he can have fun with but learn from as well. So I found these Magna tiles, and there's 32 pieces in here. And basically what they are is these towels. And so it comes in like triangle and squares. And they're really cool because there's magnets inside of them. I don't know if you can see the magnets. And so it just sticks on. And it just kind of helps them to learn. You can like build stuff with them. See how that just sticks. My son loves these so much. And they all stick to each other. And I think even bigger kids would have fun with these. Link will be down below. And the next thing is these Tatisha puzzles. and Melissa and Doug puzzles. Parker loves puzzles. So we have this one, and it has the shapes and the same shape underneath with the name of it right there on the inside. And he loves trying to put these in there. I'm so glad I found these because they use these a lot at school. So I just want him to have them at home to practice at home so that when he goes to school, he can do good and do better than other kids because he's been practicing. And it comes with ABCs. And when you take it out, it's the A's at the bottom. And it comes with numbers 1 through 10. And on this one, it doesn't have the match. It just has like fruit on there. You can just count the fruit in each one. And then it has fish. The fish match the fish. So it'd be easy for him to try to match them. And it has farm animals. And the farm animals match. And it has cars. I think these are just so cute. And the last one is dinosaurs. They all just came inside this box that we just keep them in for Parker. Alright guys, so that was everything that I wanted to show you in this video today. I don't know if you can use any of those items or if it'll be beneficial for you at all, but these are things that I love. And I'm glad that you watched this video anyway. Be sure to subscribe, click the bell so you'll be notified each time I make a new video. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.